background from image. You type photo room on your web browser. Instant background remover. Then start from photo. It will take you to your photo background, to your gallery. Won't just type on, click on start photo. Take you. This is my gallery. Picture. Then let's use uh, let's use this Pastor Chris photo. No, let me use this. It's now loading. Let's wait for it to load. Let me tell you something. Before you, if you don't use Chrome. If for example, maybe uh photo room is not working on your phone, don't use uh Chrome. If you use Chrome, you won't be able to download uh you will not be able to download the background, the the background, and you won't be able to download anything on photo room website. But when you use Chrome, it will work. See now, this is what will pop up on Chrome, but on photo room it will show download. This is what will pop up on Chrome. So we are done. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell, like.